All right, I am in a hotel in New Haven, and I'm looking to test the EVDANCE Tesla-J1772 charging adapter. This is I'm at a Tesla destination charger, and I'm gonna test out and see if I'm able to charge my EV6 with this Tesla adapter. I have unboxed the EVDANCE Tesla to J1772 adapter. Actually, it's made pretty well. I can hear the nice clicking sound for locking, and it's got a nice handle. I'm gonna test it out. Testing out the charger at a Tesla destination charger, and I'm plugging it in. It's thinking. I think it's thinking again. I think charging started. Let me check. Schedule charging. It's because I scheduled the charging. So let me take off the schedule. Okay. Charging started. Okay. So that's good. And I am getting 9.2 kilowatts an hour. And I'm getting good speed. That's good news. It works really good. The charger appears good quality, and it's charging really well.